to number 17 to number 15 with a 3-point. No good, no good. Number 16 pero nabutulaan siya, but that is already yung shot na ako number 16 pero may intercept ni number 08. Number 08. Pero nawala ang bala makukuha pero lang ball pa din. Number 20. Pass to number 9. Nawala ang bala makukuha ni number 16 ni 15. Number 15 to number 16. Easy 2 points para number 08 to number 13, 15 seconds to shoot. Pero sobra ng power. The rebound. Second shot, the rebound. The second shot is good. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 08 with a spinning move layup. Nakuha ni pa rin lang. Nakuha na yung number 9. Pass to number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. With a layup. No good na lang pa na makukuha ni number 16. May intercept ni number 3. Number 3. Pero hindi ka na maisin nakuha ni number 9 with a 3-point shot. No good. Tumukay lang number 25. Number 25. Pero napitataan sa din ni number 3. Number 16. Number 16 pass to number 32. 32 with a jump shot as well. Number 16 and pass to the stand para kay the first shot, bonus score is no good with 3 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Napalwag ni number 32, good shot. Ito na lang, pito na po ang kalamahan ng team leader Tokyo. Number 25. Hindi ka na ma-steal. Nakakuha ni number 3 with a layup. No good. Nakakuha ni number 16. Quick pass kay number 32. That is an easy 2-point. Number 17 with a 3-point. No good. Nakakuha ulit ni number 16. Pero lumos at ang bola.